Hi everyone, are you struggling with hormonal acne in your 20s? You're not alone. Hormonal acne can be frustrating, but the good news is there are ways to treat it effectively. In today's video, I'll walk you through the best treatments, products, and lifestyle tips to help you achieve clearer, healthier skin. So, grab a cup of tea and let's dive right in. Section 1. What is hormonal acne? First, let's understand what hormonal acne is. It's caused by fluctuations in hormones, especially during your menstrual cycle, stress, or even certain lifestyle factors. It typically appears around the jawline, chin, and cheeks. These breakouts are often deeper, more inflamed, and can take longer to heal than regular acne. Section 2. Building a skincare routine for hormonal acne. An effective skincare routine is essential for managing hormonal acne. Here's what I recommend. Step 1. Gentle cleansing. Use a mild cleanser with salicylic acid to deeply clean pores and prevent breakouts. Avoid harsh scrubs as they can irritate inflamed skin. Step 2. Spot treatments. For active breakouts, use spot treatments containing benzoyl peroxide or sulfur. These ingredients help reduce bacteria and inflammation. Step 3. Hydration is key. Even acne-prone skin needs moisture. Look for lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizers with ingredients like ceramides or hyaluronic acid. Step 4. Always wear sunscreen. Protect your skin with an oil-free, non-comedogenic sunscreen. Sun damage can worsen acne scars and pigmentation. Section 3. Treatments that work. Sometimes, hormonal acne needs a little extra help. Here are some effective treatments to consider. Topical retinoids. These help unclog pores, reduce inflammation, and improve skin texture over time. Oral medications, birth control pills or spironolactone can regulate hormone levels and reduce acne. Professional treatments, chemical peels, light therapy, and extractions performed by a dermatologist can speed up healing. Section 4. Lifestyle changes. Skincare is only part of the solution. Let's talk about lifestyle changes that can help manage hormonal acne. Balanced diet. Cut back on dairy and sugary foods. Add more greens, whole grains, and healthy fats like avocado and nuts. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin hydrated. Stress management. High stress can cause hormone imbalances. Try meditation, exercise, or journaling to keep stress levels in check. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Your skin heals and regenerates while you sleep. Outro. And that's a wrap on today's video. Hormonal acne can be challenging, but with the right approach, you can absolutely get it under control. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Use a calm and encouraging tone throughout the video.